Hey, it's John, and here's your test whip of the week, the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport GT. This 2019 version of the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport is their small-size crossover vehicle. Great design, practicality, done well. The Outlander Sport has a hatchback trunk with ample cargo space, a cover overlay, and you can drop that second row for more space. Comfortable second row seating, even with the front seat fully reclined, and there's nothing better than an armrest with cup holders in the back row. The Outlander Sport has a well-appointed interior front cabin, very comfortable black seats, leather suede with red trim. Push button start, main entertainment and navigation console, control the climate of the car, and you can warm those seats. Plus we have USB and other power, and an off-road driving experience. Inclement weather, we've got four-wheel drive. Armrest offers more cargo space and additional power. Safety and collision options. Traditional dash and drive functions on the steering wheel. The Mitsubishi Outlander Sport.